The package actually arrived a few days ago, but I didn't have any time to film the unboxing and learn about the microphone. I'm gonna do my best and learn everything you need to know about it. Let's see. Okay, look at this. This is very beautiful. Okay, the mic is unboxed and I'm gonna stop the video and come back to you in just a second with all the information you need. Okay, I'm back. I did my homework. I learned everything we need to know about the NUX B-11 Pro wireless microphone for violin and viola. And the fun fact is that it was not a difficult homework to do. I was very surprised to find out that this microphone is actually very easy to understand how it works. It's very intuitive. As I said before, I'm not an expert when it comes to this kind of stuff. I don't know many things about microphones, but this one was pretty easy to understand. First thing first, this microphone is special because it has its own receiver, which also works as an interface, audio interface. So you don't need extra money to buy something else because this one works very well. And also, the good thing about this is that you can plug it directly to your laptop or to your phone with just a Type-C cable, which is great. Or you can plug it to the mixer or to the speaker. So this is great. Another very interesting thing about the microphone is that it attaches to the violin magnetically. The most interesting thing about the transmitter is that it has two buttons. One which picks the equalizer preset you want to use, and the other one turns on the reverb mode. This is a game changer if you are playing to live events. Another thing about the microphone is that the transmitter charges magnetically on the receiver, like this. And now it's charging. Easy. Also, the autonomy, as I understand, of the transmitter is around 6 hours, and for the receiver is around 11 hours. And it works at a distance of around 50 meters. The only thing that I don't really like about this microphone, I mean, it's not just about this microphone particularly, it's about this type of microphone shape that catches the sound from above. Because if you are playing at a live event and you are playing outside and it's windy, the microphone also catches the wind sound. So this is something that I don't really like about it, but it's not a deal breaker. It's just a preference. Okay, now we will test the reverb functions and the equalizers. Now we are on reverb whole. Now we are on plate. And now on room. And now we will test the equalizer presets that we have here. So now I'm on the normal one. I add it flat. Now classical violin. Now modern violin. Lyrical violin. Airy violin. And after this, it has the same functions, but for viola. And if I'm pressing this button, I have a built-in tuner. Now, going to the menu, we have the display. You can switch the brightness, the picture, and stuff like this. We have the tuner display. You can choose from 4 displays. You can also choose the frequency. I will put 442, and the tuner mode, violin, viola, or chromatic. Now the switch. Here we have, if we press the button to turn on the tuner, or you can choose to mute the microphone to start the reverb or the boost mode. The boost mode is very important also when you play to live events and don't want to go to the mixer to make yourself louder. You can do it by yourself from this thing. And when you hold the button, I've put to switch the reverb, but you can choose from boost, mute, tuner, etc. Here we have the boost mode that we mentioned before, the reverb mode. Here we have 3 types of reverb: the hall, the plate, and the room. I will leave it on hall. And here we have the equalizer, the favorite one and the user one. The favorite ones are the presets made by NUX, and the user are the 2 presets that you can customize yourself. We will go through presets. We have normal, flat, violin classical, modern, lyrical, airy, and then the viola ones, and the user equalizers that are customizable. Language, you can choose from English and I think Chinese and Korean, maybe. Yeah, so this is it.